I'm Nick Parfitt, and here is your Weekly Feedzai update. I'm going to be talking today about the UK's proposed economic crime bill and how this will overhaul and strengthen the Companies House incorporation process. As many of you may know, the UK's Company House has always been a major weakness in the UK's attempts to thwart money laundering, as the incorporation services were never really intended to be an AML control point, and therefore company and director information was not validated or verified. During the COVID period of 2020 and 2021, the government stimulated the UK economy through what were called business bounce-back loans. This scheme was intended to be used to stimulate the British economy, but criminals were using a combination of fraudulent techniques with companies registered at Companies House to obtain loans, often using compromised identities available for sale on areas like the dark web. The scale of the fraud was eye-watering, estimated to be in the hundreds of millions of pounds. Enter the UK's proposed and long-awaited economic crime bill, which makes major structural changes to the company's incorporation process, requiring the identity of directors and anyone registering a company in the UK to be verified. In addition, Companies House will also receive new powers to check and challenge incorrect or fraudulent information, which could result in the application being declined. Enforcement and investigation powers at the body will also be bolstered. Traditionally opaque ownership and disclosure requirements for limited partnerships, including the now notorious Scottish limited partnership structures, will also come under the bill's purview, which will tighten the registration and transparency requirements. Strong statements from the UK's Business and Home Secretaries have made it clear that they are taking a hard line on fraudsters, corrupt elites, kleptocrats, and organised crime, who have previously exploited the weaknesses of the system, emphasising that the UK is now open for legitimate business. The Economic Crime Bill will make it easier for law enforcement agencies, such as the National Crime Association, to seize and recover crypto assets. The bill is yet to become law, however, and will need to be debated and approved by the UK Parliament. I'm Nick Parfitt, and that was your Weekly Feedzai update.